Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Now enter passwords and security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select pin. And enter pin containing 4 to 16 digits. Enter this pin, and now let's select password. Again, let's use it to unlock the phone. And this time select pattern. Let's use the pattern, and now we can go to fingerprint unlock. Confirm with your current password, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the sensor located at this side of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And now we can use fingerprint to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Confirm with your current password and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.